Hello, my name is Irina Vasco, and today I will present the case study about Federal Signal Corporation's shift from products to services. Federal Signal is the leader in innovative equipment, signaling products, and communication and security systems that keep workers, first responders, and communities safe and secure. You can see some of their products and offerings here on the screen. For example, the company produced their first outdoor siren in 1917 and their first police car beacon in 1948. Federal Signal Corporation was founded in 1901 and is currently headquartered in Oak Brook, Illinois. According to their annual quarterly report, the company's current products and services can be divided in the following two segments. The first is Environmental Solutions Group, and the second is Safety and Security Systems Group. The reason for this division is due to certain shared characteristics such as technology, marketing, distribution, and product application, which create long-term synergies. Its clients and industries include emergency services, municipalities, industrial facilities, and transportation sectors. At a high level, the company's current product range encompasses audible and visual warning systems, communication systems, and industrial safety solutions. Historically, Federal Signal has been product-focused, primarily on physical safety and signaling equipment for public safety, industrial, and municipal sectors. We would like to suggest that Federal Signal transition from a purely product-based model to a hybrid model, more on that to come, that combines products with service offerings such as maintenance, training, and remote monitoring. The rationale for this strategic shift would be, first, enhance customer value, and second, customer demand for comprehensive solutions. You may wonder, what is a hybrid offering? And here you can see that it combines one or more goods and services that jointly boost the value proposition for the customer more than if the two were sold separately. More specifically, enhanced customer value implies that services can create continuous engagement with customers, ensuring Federal Signal is not just a one-time provider, but an ongoing partner in safety. According to our text, combining products and services into hybrid offerings adds value by addressing customers' ongoing needs rather than just a one-time product solution. As for customer demand for comprehensive solutions, well, today's customers, particularly in emergency and industrial sectors, demand solutions that improve operational efficiency and reduce downtime. Thus, by integrating services such as preventative maintenance and diagnostics and offering asset efficiency services, Federal Signal can help customers minimize operational disruptions. Of course, there are many benefits to providing a hybrid solution to the client. For example, moving to a service-oriented offerings increases customer loyalty and satisfaction. The textbook highlights that service quality and customer satisfaction are central to success in service markets. Federal Signal's shift to services like installation, training, and support can strengthen customer relationships by enhancing satisfaction and loyalty. Moving to service-oriented offerings can also provide new revenue streams. Services offer opportunities for recurring revenue through maintenance contracts, upgrades, and support, as opposed to single product sale. Thus, Federal Signal can also introduce premium subscription-based services such as remote monitoring, creating consistent revenue. Lastly, moving to service-oriented offerings improves differentiation and competitive edge. The move aligns with a solution-centered perspective, allowing Federal Signal to stand out by providing fully integrated solutions instead of just products. Services like consulting and customization enable Federal Signal to adapt to specific client needs, providing differentiation in competitive markets like public and industrial safety. Let us now consider some case study questions and recommendations for Federal Signal. As I hinted previously, some services that Federal Signal can bundle are maintenance and repair services, system installation and setup, training and certification, consulting, monitoring and diagnostics, and upgrades and customization. Training programs, for instance, offer safety and usage training to help customers maximize the effectiveness of their products. Whereas remote monitoring and diagnostics would add a proactive layer by tracking equipment performance and alerting clients to potential issues before failures occur. Furthermore, maintenance and repair provides ongoing support to ensure that equipment functions in a reliable manner and addresses issues promptly. This aligns with our tech's emphasis on service recovery, developing responsive processes to deal with any service failures or equipment issues. As a result, customers' level of perceived service quality rises when service providers satisfactorily resolve service failures. Lastly, system installation and setup assists clients with product installation and integration into their facilities, ensuring effective use from the start. This service supports a solution-centered perspective, as Federal Signal can co-create value with the customer by addressing their installation challenges and reducing costs. Now, let's consider how market segmentation for Federal Signal services might look. One way to segment the market would be into emergency services, municipal bodies, transportation sector, and industrial facilities. Let's consider two of them in greater detail. For example, emergency services would include police departments, fire and rescue teams, and other first responders who rely on high visibility and high audibility signaling solutions. Primary needs might include reliability, immediate maintenance support, and quick turnaround to minimize downtime. Based on that, some tailored service offerings could be priority repair services. Since emergency teams need equipment back online quickly, priority repairs ensure they receive top-speed service when issues arise. As for municipal and government bodies, those encompass municipalities and government agencies that require safety and signaling equipment for public works, sanitation, construction, and utilities. Their primary needs include cost effectiveness, seasonal maintenance, and compliance with public safety standards. Based on those needs, some tailored service offerings could include seasonal maintenance packages. These are customized plans for routine maintenance during off-peak seasons, ensuring equipment is ready for high-demand periods like winter or summer. After looking at the benefits of hybrid service offerings and the feasibility of implementation for Federal Signal, let's consider some challenges Federal Signal could face as it seeks to pivot to a hybrid model. They might include customer perceptions and acceptance, operational adjustments, sales and marketing shifts, as well as competitive pressures. Regarding customer perceptions and acceptance, our text mentions the unique characteristics of services. They are intangible, consumed at the time of production, and highly variable, making them challenging to communicate value compared to products that are tangible. So, a potential solution for Federal Signal would be to create a customer experience map to understand key customer touchpoints and ensure they are delivering value at every interaction, thereby enforcing service benefits. As for operational adjustment, it implies that expanding into services requires investments in infrastructure, skilled technicians, and service delivery models. A solution would be to implement phased rollouts of services, starting with key market segments, and build specialized teams to deliver and support these services. Ultimately, this aligns with the customer linking process from our text that emphasizes the need for effective customer service problem resolution. Throughout this presentation, we observed that Federal Signal has strong potential to enhance customer value through bundled services like maintenance, training, diagnostics, and consulting. Additionally, tailoring services to specific needs of emergency, municipal, industrial, and transportation sectors can strengthen customer relationships. However, a successful transition to a product-service mix will require managing customer perceptions, operational upgrades, sales adjustments, and competitive differentiation. In conclusion, Federal Signal can benefit from hybrid offerings that combine tangible products with intangible services, delivering a more comprehensive value proposition to customers. By emphasizing a solution-centered approach, Federal Signal can differentiate itself by focusing on how its products and services reduce costs, enhance safety, and improve operational efficiency. Thank you.